Want to elevate your WooCommerce product pages with customized typography and layout controls in just a few clicks? Here is how to seamlessly add and style the Woo product short description widget using essential add-ons for Elementor. Before diving in, make sure you have essential add-ons, Elementor, and WooCommerce installed and activated on your WordPress dashboard. You also have to make sure that you have a theme builder set up on your WordPress website. For this tutorial, we will use Templately Theme Builder. First, head to Essential Add-ons in your sidebar and click Elements. Search for Woo Product Short Description, toggle the widget on, and click Save Settings. Next, go to Templates and click Theme Builder. Click on Add New Template. Choose Product Single as your template type, name your template, such as Product Display Title, and click Create Template. Inside the editor, find the Woo Product Short Description widget on the left panel and drag it onto your page. From the Style tab, customize the text color, typography, line height, and spacing to match your design. Once you are satisfied, click Publish. Add a display condition set to singular, select Product, set it to all, and click Save and Close, and you're done. Preview your product page to see your custom-styled short description live on your site. Was this video helpful? Do not forget to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Elementor tutorial.